And now we'll take a look at the very last example. We want to show that the maximum value for this function occurs when x equals -5. Okay, so again, we'll do the average rate of change. F of -5 plus h minus f of -5 all over h. So we've got -5 plus h squared. So this negative is from that negative in front of the x squared. Minus 10 -5 plus h minus 24 minus all of this again, -5 squared minus 10 -5 minus 24 all over h. So we're going to expand that out, and then we're going to start doing some simplification. So when you expand everything out, you're going to get -25 plus 10h minus h squared plus 50 minus 10h minus 24 plus 25 minus 50 minus 24, sorry, plus 24 all over h. And then we're going to cancel a few things out here. So this -25 cancel with this +25, -24 with that +24, +10h with -10h there. And there's also, sorry, a +50 and a -50 right there. So what we have left here then is -h squared over h. So the average rate of change simplifies down to -h. How simple is that? Now after that's finished, then we'll let h be -0.001 because for the preceding interval. So therefore the average rate of change is -0.001, which is 0.001. That shows that it's increasing because it's positive. When we let h be positive 0.001, the average rate of change is negative, which means it's decreasing. Therefore, the maximum occurs at x equals -5. Because if it's increasing to the left of the value and decreasing to the right of the value, and you can pretty cleanly see there that, clearly see that if you were to take an average of these two values, you're going to get 0. So the maximum occurs at x equals -5. Positive to the left, negative to the right, therefore it is maximum. Okay, so please take a look at example 2 on page 109. Make sure you understand that. There's your work for tomorrow. Make sure you do this, the first few questions in class, sorry, first few questions at home, and then depending on what we have going on in class, you can do this in class. Make sure you start working on the review right away, and take a look at these extra suggestions before you come to class next. Good luck, and see you in class.